Did you know that the average human attention span has shrunk from 12 seconds in 2000 to just 8 seconds today? That's less than a goldfish. Yes, you heard it right. Distraction has become a ubiquitous component of our fast-paced, digital lives. It's like a silent thief, stealthily stealing our productivity and focus, leaving us feeling unfulfilled and overwhelmed. It's high time we acknowledge this power that distraction wields. Now that we understand the power of distraction, let's delve deeper into the science behind it. To understand distraction, we turn to the experts. We spoke with renowned psychologists and neuroscientists to get their insights. Let's dive into the cognitive labyrinth of our minds. When we get distracted, it's not about lack of focus, but rather an overabundance of focus just directed at the wrong thing. Our brains are wired for distraction, constantly scanning our environment for new and interesting stimuli. This is a survival mechanism honed over thousands of years of evolution. A key player in attention and distraction is the prefrontal cortex. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, coordinating various cognitive processes. When we focus, it suppresses irrelevant information and enhances relevant information. But when a distraction occurs, this balance gets disrupted. It's like a rogue musician playing out of tune, causing the whole orchestra to falter. Distractions can interrupt our thought processes, causing us to lose our train of thought. This is because our brains can only hold a limited amount of information in working memory. When new information comes in, it can push out the old, leading to what psychologists call interference. But it's not all bad news. Distractions can also stimulate creativity, allowing us to make connections we wouldn't otherwise. They can provide a mental break, helping us to come back to a task refreshed. As we've seen, our brains are naturally prone to distraction. But what can we do about it? Stay tuned as we delve into strategies to overcome distraction in our next segment. Fortunately, psychologists and neuroscientists have also studied strategies to combat distraction and improve focus. Let's dive into some of the most effective ones. First up is mindfulness. It's a term that's been tossed around quite a bit. But what does it really mean? Simply put, mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the task at hand. It's about acknowledging distractions without letting them pull you away. Picture it as staying on a narrow path, with distractions lurking on either side. You see them, but you don't stray off your path. Studies have shown that regular mindfulness meditation can significantly improve focus and reduce the power of distractions. Next, let's talk about setting clear goals. It's hard to stay focused if you don't know where you're heading. Having a clear goal in mind gives your attention a destination. It's like having a compass in the wilderness of distractions. Your goal is the North Star, guiding you through. Now consider your environment. It plays a significant role in how easily you can be distracted. A cluttered workspace, noisy surroundings, or even a phone buzzing with notifications can pull your attention away from your task. So, make a conscious effort to create an environment free of distractions. Clean up your workspace, put your phone on silent, or better yet, out of sight. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of taking regular breaks. It might seem counterintuitive, but stepping away from your task can actually boost your focus. Think of it as a mini reset for your brain. Just like a marathon runner needs to hydrate and rest, your brain needs breaks to maintain peak performance. Experts in the field echo these strategies. They've seen firsthand how mindfulness, clear goals, a distraction-free environment, and regular breaks can dramatically improve focus and manage distractions. Implementing these strategies can help us manage distractions, but remember, it's a continuous process, not a one-time fix. So, keep practicing, keep adjusting, and most importantly, keep focusing. In our increasingly distracted world, effectively managing distractions is more important than ever. As we navigate the sea of information and stimuli that surround us, it's easy to lose focus, to let our minds wander. But as we've seen, understanding the nature of distractions, the science behind them, can equip us with the tools to combat them. Distraction is a powerful force, but it's not insurmountable. We've explored strategies to overcome it, to train our minds to stay on task. It's about more than just productivity. It's about harnessing our full cognitive potential, about living more mindful, present lives. Imagine what we could achieve if we could truly master our own attention. The possibilities are endless. It's not an easy journey, but it's one worth embarking on. Remember, the power to overcome distraction lies within us. It's time to take control and make the most of our attention.